great. For this video, I'm going to teach you 4 dance moves for beginners. And by the end of it, I hope your dancing feels more comfortable in your body and there's more of a marriage between your movement and the music. All right, you guys, let's get started. So we're going to begin with the step, touch, touch. And I would like to add that whether you're a beginner or an advanced dancer, I think it's very important to use your plie, which is the bending of your knees. Using your plie keeps you more grounded and helps you execute the moves in a more effortless way. So, like this, step, touch, touch. See, I'm adding snaps, you can add a clap, but if I wasn't using my plie, it would look somewhat like this. I'm sure you can tell the difference, right? All right, so let's keep going with the step touch. So loosen up your body a bit and have fun. Step, touch, touch, touch. And you see my arms are doing something a little more natural. I'm naturally going like this arm out, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. All right, so let's try that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We step, touch, groove it out. 7, 8. All right, you guys, good job. Now we're on to the second move, which is going to be a slide, touch, slide, touch. Slide, you see this foot is dragging, bring it in, touch, slide, and touch. So with this also, feel free to kind of have fun with your arms too. You can push, push, 3, 4, or you can even add claps. Boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap. Let's try that from the top of the slides. 5, 6, 7, 8. We slide it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, you guys. So let's try the first and second move together, and then we'll add on. All right. So starting with the step touch into the slide. 7, 8. Step, touch. Use that plie. 6, 7, 8. Slide, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch. Good job. All right, so let's add on the third step. And by the end of this video, you're gonna have a whole little routine. So the third step is pick up your left foot. We're gonna go kick, step, touch. This foot is free. Kick, step, touch. Let's try that a little quicker, okay? Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Now let's make it a little bigger, a little more full out. And use your plie. 7, 8. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. All right, you guys, let's try that one more time, and then we'll add it all together. All right? 7, 8. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Good job, guys. All right, so let's try that from the top, from the step touch. 7, 8. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. We're sliding it out. Slide it out. Slide it out. New part. Here we go. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Kick, step, touch. Great job, you guys. All right. So now we're going to add the fourth move, and we're going to step with our left foot. We're going to go left, right, left, right. So it's a little walk, back it up. From here, we're going to jump left over right, boom, boom. My hands are here in fists. So let's try that. It's just you're jumping from second, cross, and then we have to unwind. So we're gonna go over the shoulder, bam. Let's try that one more time. We're in second, we cross, jump, and we turn around. So before that we did walk it out, 3, 4, and jump, and around. All right, you guys, those are all the 4 steps. Good job. And let's try that from the step, touch, and put it all together before we try it with the music. All right, from the step, touch. 7, 8. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Slide it out, 7, 8, and kick, step, touch, kick, step, touch, kick, step, touch. New part, here we go. Walk it out, 3, 4, cross, and try it with the music.
I need that heat that I won't forget. Come on, make me sweat. Jalapeno, jalapeno. I like it hot, but we ain't there yet. Come on, let me get jalapeno, jalapeno.